How's it going, y'all? So I just wanted to make a real quick video to accompany the screenshot. This is 2.34 we made here on autopilot on this breakout trade. We were right, apparently, and we triggered in the other day. This is on the 20th. Today is the 21st. Yeah. So yesterday and then into today. Man, I've looked at the charts and looked at so many different trades and opportunities. It's kind of hard to remember what day was what, but 2.34 in less than 24 hours is pretty cool. And this trade just kind of it was a beauty. It was a beauty, to be honest. And yeah, we could have probably taken it down even further. There's always that. That's an area where you want to take a look at and you know. See what you can tweak to do it consistently. But at the end of the day, I don't want to look at this like a greed thing. I want to say, all right, my first profit target obviously was a 50 fib, and we hit it. The next thing I want to do, let me see here, is if I take this down beyond where we are, and we just assume here, let's see what kind of profit that is, a 5.63. If I'm able to justify taking it to 382. We had a couple of things going against us here. We had a little bit of hesitation there, so you can see in this candle. Let me move this up. You can actually see it in this previous candle. You see it's like a long-tailed doji. There's a stutter step, just like a hesitation there. And I don't think I'm going to be able to get it back to 3-4 again. But anyways, hesitation on that previous candle for 4 hour, and then this 50 came up and touched there. So yeah, there was some hesitation there. This is probably a good profit target because of that one reason. So 4 hour 50 is important. The 50 on the daily is important. 50 on the daily is about to be touched. Didn't quite get there, but maybe we're able to kind of stretch this out and touch this area. I think that's a I'm trying to figure out what this red horizontal line is. This is taking me to chart settings, which I don't like. There's a red horizontal line. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe that's a key level that's been drawn in. That's a last value line. I don't want that. Somehow my charts got changed up a little bit, which is pretty weird and annoying. Overnight. Anyways, whatever. It's a last value line, which isn't relevant for us right now. So I got rid of that. Yeah, so we've got some legs on this one. The 4 hour 50 kind of gave us signs of slight hesitation. If it would not have broken that, this is a huge bar, by the way. If it wouldn't have broken that, then I would have thought I was a genius because we bounced off of, we touched our profit target and pretty much bounced away from it. We did break through it, so now my job is to figure out if I could have actually consistently called that and been able to benefit there. So anyways, all in all, this is kind of the sign of how I like to trade and how I like to look at things. Yeah, I'm glad that we were able to get our profit at 2.34, but I'm also kind of looking at different ways to do even better. How do you make it even tighter? How do I improve as a trader? How do I get more out of it? Not necessarily just more profit, but a more accurate understanding of what a target really looks like. Where's the bullseye, so to speak? All right, guys. Hit me in the comment section, and look forward to talking to you guys soon. All right, peace.